We're gonna jump right into this. No intro music, anything like that. We just gonna jump right into it. See, some people need a hammer to hit them over the head before they wake up to reality. The times dictate that you better do for self. You better look out for your own self. You can't trust really nobody. I mean, God gave you a brain. You got a brain to think with. You just can't be doing things on instinct. That don't make no sense. No one is telling you or giving you any suggestions on what you must do as a unit or a group only to vote for a certain political party. Like that's gonna fix your condition. And they fighting among themselves. The Republicans fighting against the Democrats, and the Democrats, fighting against the Republicans, and they got wars going on around the planet, killing people. Then they got this pandemic, and it was shown that regardless of who they say brought it over here, it was a war weapon. They said that President Trump called it the China virus. Regardless of that, you know that they was lying because they said it came from bats. But now you know that it was manufactured in laboratories. It's all a plot to control the masses. At the same time, keeping the black man on the bottom like he always been. Because you haven't figured out the masses of the black people. It don't matter about just in the United States. You can go over in Africa. You can go over in Hades. You can go over in Brazil. You can go anywhere. You'll find the black man on the bottom. Over in Arabia. Over in China. Over in Russia. Because I don't know if they gave us some kind of a shot that make us act foolish. I can't explain it, man. We was once, at one time, builders of pyramids. We have been reduced to buffoons, coons, boule. So I'm just going to address the brothers and sisters in Detroit. I'm going to title this one, Detroit, You Must Do for Self. You give the preacher all your money. And I don't even know what he going to do. Because they don't want a whole lot of you going to church, all the mega churches. White people still going to do it, though. And I guess you're going to join their mega church. In some kind of way, you don't know how they working that virus. They could put it in an aerosol can and spread. You know, maybe that's why they want you to wear masks, because they say it's contagious. But you know, it's strange to me how that virus operates. So now that we done established the fact that this Christmas you're gonna celebrate Christmas always like you've been celebrating it. Spend all your money. You're gonna say, well, at least my kids are straight. You know, they ain't straight. No, they ain't gonna be straight. You know, and they say, well, we got these vaccinations out. There's been talk about those vaccinations, about what could be in them, a chip, or if they even work at all. They haven't been tested significantly enough for the after effects. So you got to take matters into your own hands, man. You got to look out for number one. We were talking about organizing and getting to these vacant homes, and you know, you got commercial buildings that's vacant. If you organize yourself, see, a lot of brothers and sisters ain't got internet, so you got to get to them and organize them. You can fix up these homes with going to the junkyard, going to where they sell resale stuff at, resale furniture and whatever. Pulling your money, little money you got together. Do one thing at a time. Get you a spokesman, and you could go to some of these businesses and ask for credit or whatever, however you want to work it. There's many ways to accomplish doing for self, but first you got to make one step towards doing it for yourself. But you got to be in unity. These politicians ain't gonna help you. These organizations ain't gonna help you. All the money they run through there, these YouTubers ain't gonna help you. Y'all spending y'all money with, I ain't saying don't do it, but they not gonna do nothing. They might be telling the truth. They might be, but you be giving them thousands and thousands of dollars, they gonna put it in they. Look out for themselves first. Before they look out for you, they're the same shape you do it. That's why. See, myself, I don't ask for nothing. You know. So you gotta look out for self now. The best way to do that, though, is find others that want to do the same. Unite. You can conquer the whole planet if you just unite. We the ones that build the pyramids. You need to separate from this system. Do for self. Black light.